Hi guys, have a nice day and thank you for watching English Carabao. So today po, this is good news guys to those Filipinos na nandito po sa Dubai and applying for a job, okay? And today po kasi ang isi-share ko sa inyo ay ang mga latest and updated most common interview question. So, for today, babasahin ko lang po siya lahat. Sana po pag ito na-encounter nyo, at least ngayon pa lang mapag-isipan nyo na kung ano isasagot niya. Okay? Alright guys, so before I share yung most common job interviews po ngayon is, I would like to remind you guys that during your job interview, you have to make sure that you are really presentable. So, for the guys, you can actually do the same thing what I'm wearing right now. Kasi di ba po, especially sa mga followers ko, nakikita nyo kung anong itsura ko talaga. Di ba? But, if I'm wearing something like this, mukha akong malinis, mukha akong matalino, mukha akong mabango, fresh, at saka mukha akong gwapo. Tama na nga. Okay guys, I suggest if you have a pen, try to write down po yung mga questions na isi-share ko sa inyo today so that you still have time to think kung ano po yung sasagot nyo if in case ma-encounter nyo po itong mga to. Number 1 is, what do you do in your current position and what are your responsibilities? Next is, what did you enjoy most about your past jobs? Or what did you enjoy least? Next po, why do you want to leave your current position? Next is, what goals have you set for yourself and how are you planning to achieve them? And another one is, what has inspired you to apply for this job? Okay, guys, the reason why employers are asking those, para po, they have an idea kung yung experience mo ba in the Philippines is medyo related sa kanila. Kasi we understand na there are some positions where sa mga bansa po is iba-iba. There are some waiters in the Philippines na talagang, sa atin kasi, pag waiter ka, ikaw kukuha ng order, ikaw din magpiprepare, ikaw din magsiserve. And all. Pero there are some companies here in the Dubai na pag waiter ka lang, you're just going to get the order. Kasi meron may mga runner po dito, sila naman yung nagsiserve sa table. So, hindi ko ginagawa ng mga waiters yan dito. Okay? Next question po is about integrity and values. Ito po yung kadalasang question. What would you do if you saw a coworker stealing products, money, or was giving free products to friends who came to the shop? So, dito ho masusubukan kung how would you handle yung mga ganitong integridad ang pinag-uusapan, yung values mo. So, pag-isipan nyo yan, medyo mahirap po talaga. Okay, next is about customer service orientation. This is the question, guys. What is customer... sorry. Is the customer always right? Bang! Mahirap po sagutin yun. But you have to be careful when answering this question. Okay? If the customer is really always right. Next, guys, is this. Tell me about a time when you provided extraordinary customer service. If the candidate has no prior working experience, you could say, tell me about a time when you received extraordinary customer service. A. What was the service like? And B. What might have been done to improve the service even more? Okay, guys. Ibig sabihin, gusto nilang malaman kung saang part of your life where na-experience mo na talagang extraordinary service, customer service yung ina-apply mo. Okay, for example, instead of yung standard na customer service procedure lang, is you go beyond it. Parang extra service or star service yung binigay mo na. For example, yung normally yung ginagawa nyo as waiter is to let the customer sit, give the menu, ganun lang. But then what you did is, you offer newspaper, you offer yung promotions, you offer new products or new flavors. Yung something ganun, something beyond doon sa standard na ginagawa ng iba pang company. Yun yung extraordinary customer service. Okay? And next po is, how would you handle a difficult or dissatisfied customer? So, dito po yung masusubukan kung yung ability nyo how to adjust sa different types of customer na maaari nyo ma-encounter. Lalo na yung complaints. How would you answer? How would you react to customer complaints? Next po is, how would you go about making a customer feel welcome in the shop? And another one, describe the word passion in relation to what company you are working right now, and how would you display passion in your job? Okay, next po is about quality orientation. Why do you think that quality controls are important for a brand like, let's say, kung anong company yung ina-apply nyo? Okay, it can be RTW or restaurant. And, okay guys, ito naman yung ilang interpersonal skills question na maaari hong makatulong sa inyo. Number 1, how would your friend describe you? Kasi, this is actually nice, ha? Kasi parang, it's not coming from you. So parang ano ba yung feedback sa mga friends mo? Who are you in the eye of your friends? Next is, what qualities do you have that make you an effective team player? Do you work better by yourself or as part of a team? So dito nila makikita kung, are you independent? Are you that parang kind of person na talagang laging nangunguna? Or you're a good leader? Or you're just a good follower? Next one is, do you enjoy talking to people regardless of your mood? Can you give an example? Okay, there are times maring may sakit ka, how would you handle customer? Let's say, may problema ka sa bahay, how would you handle customer? Let's say, super happy ka naman and excited to go home, how would you handle customer? Okay, next is about maturity or adaptability. Ito pa yung question. Describe the most stressful situation you have ever encountered and how you deal with it. Okay. Stressful yun, ha? So that's actually a challenging question. And it's really hard to answer. Another one is, how do you handle a situation when things go badly? Pero tayo, kaya natin mga Pinoy to. Ngiti na lang. Pero guys, you have to think of a better answer than just smiling. And another one, tell me about an experience where you showed initiative. What were the result? Initiative is yung pagkukusa. Ibig sabihin, hindi yun itinuro sa inyo, pero you decided to do this. That's called initiative. And the last one po is, how do you feel about working an additional shift if asked, or staying longer than your scheduled shift if the shop was unusually busy? Most of the applicants actually are really so lighter answering this question. Kasi most of the time, ma'am, it's fine. I'm willing to go extend my shift and all. And yet, in real life, kapag pinag-extend mo na yung stuff, away na yun. Well, I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching English Carabao again, and I hope po may natutunan po kayo sa video na to. So, hindi ko sinasabing 100% you're gonna encounter the same question, but definitely, guys, meron kayo may experience sa mga questions na sinare ko sa inyo. Would you want to say hi?
Yeah.
Oh, say hi to them.
Hi!
Hi, and guys, I'd like you to meet. This is me, Kai. Yeah, she's the first child actress ko with yung ano ngayon, what movie is that? I Love Ice Cream movie. Di ba? And soon we're gonna make a sequel for that. What's the title? It's gonna be I Like iPhone 5. Okay, so let's say bye-bye na.
Okay.
Bye, guys!
Bye, guys!
Ciao!
Yeah.
Ciao! God bless you all! Alright guys po sa lahat,